Welcome to our video on unlocking the power of AI and adding AI-driven features to your applications. In this video, we'll explore how you can implement AI-driven features in your own applications. So let's get started. Define your use case. Identify the specific problem or task you want to address with AI. This could be anything from image recognition to natural language processing or recommendation systems. Data collection and preparation. Gather high-quality data relevant to your use case. The performance of AI models heavily depends on the quality and quantity of data. Pre-process and clean the data, which may include tasks like data normalization, feature engineering, and handling missing values. Choose the right AI model. Depending on your use case, select the appropriate AI model or algorithm. Common choices include deep learning models, example, neural networks, machine learning algorithms, example, decision trees, SVMs, or pre-trained models, example, BERT for NLP. Train the model. Use the prepared data to train your chosen model. This process involves feeding the model with input data and adjusting its parameters to minimize the error or loss function. Validation and evaluation. Evaluate the model's performance using appropriate metrics. This helps ensure the model is accurate and generalizes well to new data. Fine-tune the model based on evaluation results. Integration into your application. Once your AI model is trained and performs satisfactorily, integrate it into your application's codebase. You may need to use APIs or libraries specific to your chosen AI framework or language. User interface, UI design. Design the user interface to incorporate AI-driven features seamlessly. Ensure that users can interact with these features intuitively. Data security and privacy. Implement data security measures to protect user data, especially if your AI application deals with sensitive information. Comply with data privacy regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, or others applicable to your domain. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Set up monitoring to track the performance of your AI models in production. This includes monitoring for accuracy, speed, and potential biases. Use user feedback and monitoring data to continuously improve your AI models and application. Scaling and deployment. Ensure that your application can handle increased usage and traffic as it gains popularity. Scaling may involve using cloud resources or containerization technologies. Deploy your application to a production environment and make sure it can handle real-world usage. Documentation and support. Provide documentation for users and developers, explaining how to use the AI-driven features. Offer customer support to address any issues or questions related to these features. Ethical considerations. Be mindful of ethical concerns, such as bias and fairness in AI. Implement measures to mitigate bias and ensure fairness in your AI models. Legal considerations. Understand and comply with relevant laws and regulations related to AI and data usage, such as copyright, intellectual property, and data protection laws. Thank you for watching this video on unlocking the power of AI and adding AI-driven features to your applications. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.